Hi folks, Faron Gallon here at Daytona Toyota. We just received our first Toyota Sequoia 2023, the new model, all new redesign. The wait is over. This particular one behind me is a TRD Off-Road Limited. Has an I-Force Max hybrid engine with 437 horsepower, capable of towing close to 10,000 pounds. With over 500 foot-pounds of torque, this will get the job done. This particular Sequoia also has the crawl control, which you may be familiar with in the Toyota Tacoma and Toyota 4Runner. Very nice vehicle, very capable vehicle. Good family vehicle, but at the same time, you can get the job done for towing as well as off-road capabilities. Now, because this is a TRD off-road, it has the 18-inch tires. If it wasn't an off-road, you would have 20-inch tires on it. But nevertheless, this is capable. Got running boards on it, multi-link suspension. Really nice vehicle. And I'm going to go inside here, but you do have the skid plate, the Bilstein shocks, push button start, and this particular one is capable of seating 8. Nice 14-inch screen and panoramic sunroof. Now, if you have a boat, this one is capable of helping you guide that boat in launching it, in terms of backing up with something that you're towing. Got that assistance. Got vents in the back and the controls in the back to adjust the temperature for the people who are sitting in the back. You also have the shades in the back as well. Nice family vehicle. Those are those Blitzen shock absorbers. Now, unique here in the back, what they've done is you can actually configure this. So if you're going on a trip and you want to make way and change the configuration so you can get cargo in at a certain point, you can do that. That's relatively new. Also on the Limited, you've got the ability to lower your seats electronically, automatic seats. And then of course with the third row down, you do have a lot of space right here. You also have the ability to shut this door with your foot. So you got the old kick and shut door. I don't know if it's activated or not, but there's a switch to do that, but it's probably not activated. But nevertheless, they've thought of everything for this vehicle. I like the off-road capabilities on it. Again, you have the crawl control, downhill assist, locking rear differential, just about everything you can think of for a vehicle that you want to have some recreational use in terms of tow capability, having a boat, and then of course all of the necessities that you need with a family. You can have a family of 8 and they'd be quite comfortable in this. This is the 2023 Toyota Sequoia, finally out, and I'm going to test drive it here and I'll give you some feedback a little bit later. I'm Faron Gallon. Faron Gallon sells cars. here at Daytona Toyota in Daytona Beach, Florida.